Dibbley the dog has a cold, haven't you? It makes him sneeze like this. Yeah, oh, it's a bad cold, isn't it? It's a really bad cold. That's just terrible. And does it? Oh, tearing me. And it makes me howl as well. The sore throat. Oh dear. And sneeze as well. Does it make you sneeze as well? Oh, dearie me. Sore throat. Sneezes? Good boy. Maybe you can moonwalk. No, why not? Because I've got a cold, Dad. I've got a proper cold, isn't it? Is it a proper cold? Oh, it's a terrible cold. It's got... Achoo! Oh, right, moonwalk then. Go on, moonwalk. Yeah, just gotta go on, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Go on. Go on. Oh. That's it. And sing for your dad. Oh. And one final sneeze. A proper one. No, a proper one. Good boy. That young? Yeah, thanks, Dad.